The end cap covers your saw's brush assemblies and the commutator. The most common problem with the end cap is accidental damage, caused by dropping the saw or something falling on it. Replacing the end cap is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the end cap. Now I can install the new end cap. I slide it over to the motor housing. And then secure it with the screws. And that's how you can install a new end cap on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.